All right, we wish to simplify this expression here. So first I'm going to do is I'm going to find a common denominator for these two big fractions, right? So hopefully you can see the common denominator is going to be x plus a times x minus a. So I can do x minus a over x minus a. And then I'm going to have that x over a minus x plus a over x minus a over x plus a, and then minus, so in this case I'm going to have that x plus a over x plus a times the x over a minus x minus a over x plus a all over x minus a, right? So this is equal to, so I'm going to go ahead and distribute this x minus a to these two terms. So that'll be x minus a times x over a. And then x minus a times this, well, there's an x minus a factor on the top and an x minus a factor on the bottom. So we'll just be left with this minus x plus a over 1. And that's, of course, all over the x minus a times x plus a. And now minus, so I'll distribute this x plus a. So this will be x plus a times x over a minus, and I have a factor of x plus a here on the top and on the bottom, x minus a over 1. And that's all over that x minus a times x plus a. So now I'm going to combine these two fractions because they have a common denominator now. And I'll go ahead and distribute this, right? So x times x is x squared minus ax over a. And I can see that I will need a common denominator here. So I'll just do minus a times x plus a over a. And then minus, now I'm going to distribute this negative, right? So minus x plus a. Oh, I'll distribute that, right? Okay, so let's do x squared plus ax over a, and then negative, negative. So this will be a plus, and then I need an a on top and bottom here to get a common denominator of a everywhere. So that would be a times x minus a all over a. And this is all over that x minus a times x plus a. All right. So now I have a common denominator among these guys. So I'm going to have x squared minus ax, and then minus ax, and then minus a squared, because I have to distribute that negative, right? And then minus x squared minus ax, and plus ax, and then of course that minus a squared, and that's all over a, right? And this thing is all over x minus a times x plus a. Let me actually move that equal sign. All right. So now let's go ahead and combine like terms in this expression. X squared, negative x squared, so that turns to 0. Negative ax, negative ax, negative ax plus ax, so that would mean we have negative 2ax, right? So negative 2ax, and then negative a squared, so minus 2a squared. That's going to be all over a, right? So this expression is this guy here, and that's all over x minus a times x plus a. Let's go ahead and factor out a negative 2, right? So in this it'll be negative 2 and an a, right? And then I would be left with x, and then I factor out a negative, so this would be plus a all over a, and that's all over x minus a, x plus a. Okay, so now I have a factor of a in both the numerator and the denominator. So I'm going to be left with negative 2 times x plus a, right? That is the same thing as this. I'll put the brackets so you guys can see that this is the same as this. And that's going to be over x minus a times x plus a. And notice I have an x plus a factor in both the numerator and the denominator. So I'm going to be left with negative 2 over x minus a. And I could leave it like this, but I'll go ahead and transfer the negative to the bottom so it'll look a little nicer. So that'll be 2 over, and if I distribute the negative to the bottom, I'd get negative x and then plus a. So I can rewrite this as a minus x. You could leave it like this or like this, it doesn't matter. But either way, this expression here is the simplification of this big expression here.